Hey guys, I'm your friend Sandhikshandas. Welcome back again. A few years back, I made a video that how to change the rubber pads of your earphone or headphone. And that video had some communication issue. Many of you didn't understand how to change. So I'm gonna make it again that how to change the ear tips or rubber pads. The ear tips is available. If you wish, you can purchase buy it from Amazon or AliExpress. So guys, here you can see this is the rubber pad. If you need to change, and then you have to remove it first. So to remove, just squeeze it like this way and just pull it back, so it will open. You can see, suppose you have got the new replacement, so you're gonna put it back again. So how to put it? Many users find it very difficult. I have found it in the comment section. This video is for them. Just hold the new earpad or ear tips, whatsoever you say. You can see there's a small circle or gap or canal. You will have to just squeeze it like this way. Make sure the inner canal is squeezing also, and you can see you will have to place it like this way first. Then you will have to just push it back, the ear tips, this ear tips, at the same time squeezing it. You will have to push it back just like this way. You can see it is fitted, and same way you can do for this one too. This is very simple. Just push it and pull it back, it will open, and just squeeze it, align it and push it inside. That's it. This is very simple, and you can do for any types of earbuds or earphone you have. Doesn't matter which brand it is. So that's all for about this video. I hope you have liked the video. Then don't forget to hit the like, share and subscribe my channel.